Welcome to LifeAID. Today's topic are sports drinks. Please tell us in the comments about your thoughts about sports drinks and what you prefer to drink during exercise. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content.
Sports drinks are marketed as being specifically designed to help athletes rehydrate and replenish electrolytes lost through sweat during physical activity. However, many people also consume these drinks in non-athletic settings, leading to questions about their overall healthfulness. One key issue with some of the sports drinks is their high sugar content. Many varieties contain high fructose corn syrup or other forms of added sugar, which can contribute to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. Additionally, research has suggested that consuming too much sugar can lead to a decrease in the body's ability to absorb hydration, making sports drinks less effective at rehydrating the body. Another concern with some sports drinks is that they often contain artificial ingredients and food dyes. These ingredients can have negative effects on health, including increasing the risk of certain cancers and causing allergic reactions in some individuals. However, for athletes engaging in intense or prolonged physical activity, sports drinks can be a beneficial option for replenishing electrolytes and carbohydrates lost through sweat. Electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, helps to regulate hydration levels and muscle function. Carbohydrates help fuel the body during intense exercise and can help prevent fatigue. It's also important to note that plain water is often the best option for hydration during everyday activities and low to moderate intensity exercise. For those engaging in intense or prolonged physical activity, a sports drink, or even a homemade natural alternative, like coconut water with a pinch of salt, can be a better choice. In conclusion, sports drinks can be useful for athletes engaging in intense or prolonged physical activity, but for most people, they are not necessary and can be harmful due to their high sugar content and artificial ingredients. It's important to read labels and to understand that water is often the best choice for hydration.
That's all for now. Remember to subscribe. See you next time.